Welcome to the course condemned section for Complete Accounting Tallyprime, Tally ERP 9, GST 4-in-1. This course has 26 chapters, and I have split these into 3 parts. The first part of this course is we will learn the accounting. In the second part of this course, you're going to learn a complete Tallyprime with GST. And third part of this course covered complete Tally ERP 9 with GST. The first part, it's about the accounting section. Under this section, there are 2 chapters are covered. The first chapter is about accounting background. The second chapter is manual accounting in Microsoft Excel. The second part of this course covered completely Prime with the GST. This part, it consists of all chapters, and it's a big one from Chapter 3. Chapter 3 is a tablet Prime installation and a company creation and alteration. Chapter 4 is the introduction of Tallyprime. Chapter 5 is about the type of vouchers in Tallyprime. Chapter 6 is record transaction for the new company. Chapter 7 is the record opening balance with Tallyprime. Chapter 8 is a record opening balance with a transaction in Italy. Chapter 9 is bank reconciliation in Tallyprime. Chapter 10 is a goods and stock creation in Tallyprime. Chapter 11 is a manufacturing account in Tallyprime. Chapter 12 is about payroll in Tallyprime. Chapter 13 is Tallyprime with the GST chapter. 14 is backup and restored in Tallyprime. The final in part 3 sections is complete. Tally ERP 9 with the GST. This part, it's covered 12 chapters, and it begins with Chapter 15. Chapter 15 is Tally ERP 9 installation. Chapter 16 is about company creation and a company alteration in Tally ERP 9. Chapter 17 is a record transaction for a new company. Chapter 18 is a record opening balance in Tally ERP 9. Chapter 19 is a record opening balance with the transaction in Tally ERP 9. Chapter 20 is bank reconciliation in Tally ERP 9. Chapter 21 is about going down and stock creation in Chile ERP 9. Chapter 22 is about manufacturing accounts in Tally ERP 9. Chapter 23 is payroll in Tally ERP 9. Chapter 24 is Tally ERP 9 with GST. Chapter 25 is backup and restore in Tally ERP 9. Chapter 26 is about export reports in Tally ERP 9. These 3 parts are covered in this course, and don't lose your time. Just general with the course.